And what I've got now I'm going to show you how to make is a Mojito Melon Salad. Who doesn't love a good mojito, right? So the classic traditional drink, you've got tonic, but you've got the lime, the mint, and a simple syrup. So I've kind of brought up some of that, most of that, into this dish right here to make a wonderful salad that goes great with any brunch on a Saturday or Sunday. In the bowl already, I've got some chopped cantaloupe, just kind of various sizes, some chopped pineapple, and then I've got the last little bit of watermelon here. I'm just going to kind of finish up and throw this into our bowl. I like just kind of rough chopping it, making different sizes. I think that when people, when you're having a brunch and people are coming up and trying out the different things, sometimes it's almost like a little display. They can kind of reach in with a spoon or a fork and pick out what they want, the different sizes and things that they want. So now we're chopped. We're going to add in our watermelon and the rest of our pineapple. Okay. Now I could stir this. I will stir this actually. And this would just be a nice little fruit salad. However, what I did earlier was I took some sugar and water, reduced it down with a little bit of Bacardi rum, and made a simple syrup. So all you do is just put it on the stove in a little pot, add about a 2-to-1 ratio on water to sugar, or water and rum to sugar, and just put it on a low simmer for 20-30 minutes, and you end up just with this nice little liquid like this. It's kind of thick. So that's my simple syrup with rum. What I want to do now is add in a little bit of that mint, because no mojito goes without some mint in there, right? And then I've got my lime right here ready to go. So I squeeze in a little bit of lime, give this a nice stir. Oh, it smells so good. It can actually smells like a mojito. I'm not going to drink this though. I'm going to put it on my salad. So now I just want to kind of slowly pour it on there. Move it around a little bit. You can see it all, getting how thick it is. Just like that. Now we just stir it. Give it a nice little stir, make sure everything's coated. You can kind of tell if you see mint sprinkled throughout, like this. And that's it. Now we're gonna go in the fridge. We're gonna let it get nice and cold. And by the time we're ready to have brunch, this is gonna be perfect, ready, and delicious. I'll be right back. I've got my Mojito Melon Salad out of the fridge. Give it a couple more stirs, and then we're ready to throw this in a bowl. Gotta get it ready for our brunch spectacular feast over here. So I just put a little bit in one bowl there. Grab a second bowl. I can see the mint. I can smell mint, lime juice. Can't really smell rum, but the flavor's in there. We of course cooked out the alcohol when we're making our simple syrup. So we're just gonna put that in there like that. Take a little bit more mint, sprinkle it on top. Just like that. Those are ready to go. With the salad, throw in some blueberries, blackberries, any type of fruit you want. It's about the simple syrup with the rum and the mint and the lime that makes it the mojito part. But have fun with it, change it up, make it your own.